Okay, well, I was going to go outside to do this introduction, and then I saw the weather and I said, no. It looks like nice and sunny April, but it's still February. So I said, no, my office is good enough. I just wanted to introduce this next recipe that you'll find the link for below in the description. And that is for the easy apple cinnamon muffins. These things are really delicious. They're so good. I nibble on them after after dinner too. Like I'll have half of one or whatever. It's a little dessert, but they're great for breakfast. You could put a little butter or not. And this is actually the second time I've made it. They're not hard to make at all. They smell delicious in your oven. So give them a try. They're really good, and you might have a lot of your ingredients at home. You can use any kind of apple. I used a Macintosh because they look so pretty in the supermarket when I picked them up. So here is, and please, if you like my recipe, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, and here goes the easy apple muffin. Easy, easy cinnamon apple or easy apple cinnamon muffins. And when they're done, you just take them out and let them cool right onto, well, I don't know, a little grate, that little cooling rack that I have. Aren't they nice? Now, all we need is some coffee. Happy cooking!